Hello, good afternoon, teacher. Today I am going to tell about regular verbs in the past tense. Number Gisela Ocatoma, Marta Llantos, and Ribel Vasconez. We are grade 7. Ruechi verbs in the with about so it is pronounced T. Example: dance, dance, stop, stop. With the verbs and the with the voice so it is pronounced D. Example: hot, aged, road, rat. With the S verbs with the voice so it is pronounced ed. Example: weared, wanted, wanted, wanted.
So T. Rule. When T verse ends with a voicelet sounding and pronunciation T. Example: could, could. So D. Rule. When T verse ends with a voicelet so is pronounced D. Example: clean, clean. So ed ruled when they were and we T or D. It is a pronunciation ed example. Visit, visiting.
Sound T. Ruler. When the verb ends with a voiced sound, it is pronounced T. Example: help, help it. Wash, wash it. Sound D. Ruler. When the verb ends with a voiced sound, it is pronounced D. Examples: play, play it. Call, call it. Sound ID. Ruler. When the verse ends with T or D, it is pronounced ID. Examples: need, needed. Decide, decided.